Hello everyone! Today we are showcasing an exquisitely elegant bone china tableware set, the Falling Leaves Newborn China Collection. Crafted from newborn china, this set is incredibly lightweight and delicate. Just look, when held to the light, the cup walls are nearly translucent. This is one of the characteristics of high-quality bone china. And also, the soft pastel green hue gives off a fresh, senior vibe, while the freeform leaf design resembles gently falling foliage in the breeze, very dynamic and natural. The leaf pattern is created using a decal technique, which perfectly reproduces delicate pattern details and bonds durably to the glazed surface. This set is fully versatile, including a 160mm teacup, paired with a 17cm saucer, a 19cm dessert plate, a 27cm dinner plate, and a 15cm rice bowl, perfect for desserts, soups, or greens, and a 21.5cm large bowl, a very practical size for mixing salads, serving soups, or using as a cereal bowl. The Falling Leaves collection is perfect for those who appreciate refined lifestyle and elegant dining ambience. It is also one of our best sellers. If you are interested in our products, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tableware inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!